This is the K'NEX Sky Sprinter roller coaster released in 2015. It is 7 feet tall. The kit contains 796 pieces and is for children 9 years and up. The instruction manual for this roller coaster comes in the box. An alternative web model, Cloudbender, is also available. The instructions in PDF format are available for download at the K'NEX website, and I have included the links to both models in the text box below. The Red Blaster motor has 2 spinning rubber wheels that connect both sides of the car and launches it to the top. To start, the car may need to have some momentum going into the motor for it to reach the top. Use brand new alkaline batteries, since they will provide a higher voltage than cheap batteries. Also, do not use rechargeable batteries, as the voltage is way too low.